Never ever skip the stage of wearing iduku elimhlophe, the white duke. Always be proud ngalo, because there's a reason why you are given. Even if you didn't dream of it, umelaphi, a certain healer recommended it for you, always wear it, because that is the stage of grounding. That is the stage where you are being developed to be the healer. In most cases, people are given iduku elimhlophe. In that stage, you'll find people asking, I keep on dreaming of this, I keep on dreaming of that, but I don't know who is my lead guide. 99.9% of the chances that you don't have a lead guide at that particular time. Njengoba wembathe leli duku elimhlophe, it's like picture a cancer that is sitting ogogo nabomkhulu bahleli, nomunye unesipho asiphethe afuna ukukunikeza sona, but you don't have a lead guide. So it's still being discussed ukuthi yes, inombolo iphumile, kukhethwe wena ukuthi kube wena ozoba whatever lekumele ube yona in the family, but who is going to be the lead guide? So at that moment, nomunye uyalahlela, ulokalahlela, and manje babheke wena bafuna ukubona ukuthi yipho ozoyithathela phezulu kakhulu. Yipho omunye akakulahlela ngejazi kube yilona lokuqala ohamba uyisebenzisa, then the next thing you are towards the bugedla side, you love it. Or omunye akulahlele ngesiphike esiyelo ube towards the buthandaza side of it. Omunye akulahlele ngesiphike esiblue and white ngani ube towards the prophetic side. Or omunye akulahlele ngama-beats ngani ube towards the bongoma side. So basuke bacheke wena ukuthi which one are you mostly into. Then if it happens ukuthi mhlambe bakunikeza iduku eliwasi, then ube so grounded towards the prophetic side, then maybe there'll be a grandmother or there'll be a grandfather who would say no, I'll be her lead guide, or I'll be his lead guide from this point of time up until here. Kodwa ngeke ngize ngibe khona for the longest time, zoba la up until in this journey ngizomcrafta ukuthi abe prepared ukuthi nini uma senifika kube ukuthi seka right. Njengoba ngiloko ngimcrafta at the very same time ngimfundisa nezami izinto eziphuma from my own gift that I am gifting him or her. Then uzoloku uhamba ngale duku eli-white, and in most cases njengoba kuyi-cancel kanje, whoever who's gonna come in front, or let me say those who stand a chance to be the first spiritual guides to you, it's the ancestor that comes from the surname esikhulisile. If it's your mother's side, it's your mother's side. If it's your father's side, it's your father's side. But the one who stands a chance, a higher chance, it's the one that comes from lezi bongo or lesi sibongo okhulile ngaphansi kwaso. Yakhumbula indaba yepapa, when I spoke about indaba yepapa. Indaba yepapa, it's very important. It comes from that surname. That ancestor will come from that surname. A craft, masakabona ukuthi ngazathi so sharp, bese yakudedela ke. Bese yakudedela, then you start manje usubona wena bowuza kahle namabhayi, wena bowuza kahle, sorry, bowuza kahle naney'phika namaduka white, ubona ukuthi ngizoba umprofethi nje, ngizosebenza ngamanzi, ngizoba mnandi. Then vumbu sekuvela ubungoma, vumbu sekuvela lokhu, vumbu sekuvela. Now they are starting to present themselves one by one. Not all of them you're supposed to take them. You are not obliged, it's not compulsory that you're supposed to take all of them. But you need to stick to what you want. You still have a choice to say, I can use this. Even if they tell you ukuthi lo bugedla mawubuthatha, you'll be moneyed, you'll be fine, but it's thwalo lesiyana. You must know ukuthi isithwalo lesiyana. There are some certain sacrifices that you have to make for you to take that one. So it's up to you whether you want to take it or you don't want to take it. You can still reject it. Some of the things, they'll still be served by these other ancestors that you want, even though they won't be similar kunaleziyana. Understand? And Iduku elimhlophe, it's like you are like ibhodi elibilayo. You're like a boiling pot that has so much power in it. So in order for ukuthi isteam singaphumi simosha amakhabethe yonke into elana endlini, kudinga ukuthi kube khona isivalo esivala lebhodo leli. That is when now you'll be given iduku. Some people mabeqala uhambo lukamoya baqali ngeduku elimhlophe, baqala ngamaduku ayilo, ngamaduku blue, ngamaduku green and all of that. Most yabo they grow. Bafike there's a certain level where they bafika khona, then kube khona confusion eningi ngendlela emangazayo, and le confusion idala ukuthi wonke umuntu vele abe present ngaleyo ndawo ngaleso sikhathi leso. So the process bekumele yenzeke laphana phansi seyenzeka le phezulu masekakhulile, wonke umuntu avele abe present. Makaba present wonke umuntu uyaziveza, then now he or she is forced to go down ayoqala phansi kweduku elimhlophe. Makafika edukweni elimhlophe, then bese kube khona leyo selection yokuthi ubani okumele aqale, who's supposed to come now. And in most cases, some people bayahamba uhambo lukamoya, babonisa izambatho ngokuhlukahlukana kwazo, baloku bakhula. Kube khona ilevel la ufika khona, kube khona certain confusion, mhlambe nezambatho iphele nama-beats awasekho, but now the dreams that you are dreaming, you're not quite clear with what's actually happening. You feel like you're stagnant even though you're not stagnant. You are just in a crossroads where you need to choose where you're going. When there's that confusion, what you need to do is to go back to the first sambatho wabanaso. If bokuyibhayi, go back to lelo bhayi lelo. If bokuyisiphika, go back uyosebenzisa leso siphika. Share yonke into phansi, whatever that you like. Leave everything, go back to the first garment that you got. Uqala usebenzisa lona again, ubuyele kulelo duku, ubuyele leso siphika leso. By doing that, you are channeling the first guide, the first spiritual guide eqale nawe uhambo lukamoya. Uya channeling yena ukuthi makabuye azokucacisela ukuthi what is actually happening here, what is it that you need to do, where you supposed to go, or what do you need to choose. Sometimes angafika, but masekafika angeke asafika with a very similar language wayefika ngayo ngaseqaleni, because now you have grown. Eqaleni wafika ngelanguage yaka grade R, manje uzofika ngelanguage yaka matric, wafika ngelanguage yase university. You need to be awoke, you need to be there to understand. And some of us, we don't get to understand. Bese masuhamba yohlela bese kuthiwa abantu abadala wena umameli, bese kanti mangenzeni kanti. It's such cases like this that you are no longer comprehending the language. It's no longer the same at that particular time. 2, liyahlambululwa once a month, uligeze uhlambulule with salt ngobisi, uhlambulule, because of most cases mawusebenzisa liyayidonsa imimoya ethunyelwe kuwena, lidonsa all the negative energy just to protect you from that negative energy. So lona, how does it get rid of the negative energy? That's when uhlambulula, you cleanse it with your white salt nobisi, small geza, faka insipho and all of that. Understand, geza libe sharp, uligcoka nicely. Enye into futhi engakusiza when you're in a spiritual journey uneduku elimhlophe, mawusekhaya ungaloku ufuna ukuhamba ngekhanda. Wena phela uma ufaka umathwele iduku elimhlophe, uthwasa lesi sithunya salesibongo okhulele kusona, kufana nokuthi uthwasa isithunya sasekhaya. So mawusekhaya wena ufana nomuntu oyithwasa kini la uzalule khona, uyithwasa lasekhaya. So mawusekhaya ungaloku uhamba nangekhanda, fasa iduku lakhe elimhlophe, fasa iduku lakho kwenziwani, kuyaphansi kuyaphezulu, uyaklina, washa ama-window, fasa iduku lakho elimhlophe. In that way you are channeling liladlozilana or lesasithunya lesana to come closer to you, to make things a little bit easier for you kulolu hambo lukamoya. Kanti uma uzoloku ulifihla ulithwala uma ulala, it's like afraid, or it's like ashamed, uyesaba, unamahloni, awufuna ukubonisa abantu ukuthi wena you are gifted and all of that. But if you are becoming even ngisho nawe uthiwa unesiphika neduku elimhlophe, faka into zakho, ube isiphithiphithi mntasekhaya. If ekhaya ke mhlambe abantu abangazona into lezi, zifakele iduku lakho isiphika usibekele, but if they are fine, faka iduku lakho nesiphika sakho. Oh yeah, that's fine, so that uzokwazi ukuba in the good side of it. But it's the most important part of the spiritual journey that you need to undergo because abaningi bayasijampa bakhuphuke baye phezulu bese babuye bashaya phansi kumele baze kusona futhi again.